Will Smith, Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson, and Jennifer Lopez are all riding the TikTok wave to promote their brands, showing that TikTok is more than just a platform for celebrities, makeup tutorials, and catchy dance moves. This social media powerhouse is a goldmine for driving sales, boosting brand awareness, and connecting with a lively global community. Think TikTok is just for entertainment? Think again.
TikTok is exploding as the world's fastest growing social media platform, boasting 800 million active users each month and over 2 billion downloads. With engagement rates 10 times higher than any other platform, is where a video can go viral overnight, making it an incredibly powerful marketing tool. Welcome to our masterclass on how to leverage TikTok for social commerce and business growth. Watch until the end as we unravel our 10 strategies to leverage TikTok for social commerce.
So why should you love TikTok? Well, for starters, users open the app around 6 times a day on average. Plus, unlike any other platform, you can post a video with 0 followers and still rack up 1 million views and tens of thousands of followers overnight. It's this unique potential for explosive growth that makes TikTok an irresistible tool for social commerce and business success. Let's first look at the multiple ways you can make money on TikTok. As a starter, you can feature products in your videos and include e-commerce links. You can also put a link in your bio and sell products and services directly to your audience, as on Instagram. Once you get 1,000 followers, you can do live streams, and you can collect money directly from your followers, just like on Twitch. TikTok also has a creator marketplace, which has its own influencers marketplace, where you can make deals directly from other brands and influencers. And then there are also earned revenue opportunities from advertising. And now, here are 10 strategies to leverage TikTok for social commerce and business growth. Number 1, post regularly. Number 2, aim for viral. Number 3, go multi-channel. Number 4, capture attention. Number 5, capitalize on competitions and challenges. Number 6, keep it trendy. Number 7, think global. Number 8, never miss hashtags. Number 9, give what your audience wants. Number 10, start with research.
1.
Post regularly. TikTok started with a younger crowd, but now folks in their 30s and up are joining the party faster than ever. What sets TikTok apart is its wild and wonderful algorithm. Unlike Facebook, where your posts mainly reach friends and their friends, and maybe a few extra folks if you nail those hashtags, TikTok flips the script. Here, it's all about the quality of your video. You could start with 0 followers and still rack up 1 million views overnight. No limits, no bounds. Here's how it works. You post a video and TikTok shows it to a small group of users. If it catches on, it gets pushed to a bigger audience, and so on. The sky's the limit on TikTok. To grab attention and increase your chances of going viral, aim to post at least once a day.
2.
Aim for viral. Going viral on TikTok can totally transform your game. And guess what? With great videos, it's not as hard as you might think, even if you're just starting out. But what makes a TikTok video stand out? Check out these 4 factors. Number 1, completion rate. Did viewers stick around to the end, or did they scroll away? The more people watch till the finish, the better. Number 2, likes, comments, and shares. These are your hard numbers showing how your video is performing. Number 3, new followers. How many new fans hit that follow button after watching your video? Number 4, rewind rate. How often did people replay your video? Since TikTok videos are short, great ones often get rewatched again and again. While the TikTok algorithm remains a bit of a mystery, we do know some secrets for creating viral content. Share stories. People love following along with stories from real life. Create a series of videos about a single story to keep viewers hooked. Show off. People share content that makes them look good. As a business, craft content that helps viewers show off their style or achievement. Add value. Offer valuable tips or insight. From beauty hacks to expert advice, content that educates and informs can go viral fast.
3.
Go multi-channel. If you're juggling multiple social media channels, cross-promoting your business effectively is a game changer. But here's a common mistake: posting the exact same content everywhere. Why is this a no-no? Different platforms, different formats. Each platform has its own vibe and format. What works on Instagram may not fly on TikTok or LinkedIn. No fresh appeal. If your content isn't identical across all channels, why should people follow you everywhere? Keep things interesting. Instead, create content in bulk and then repurpose it creatively for each platform. This way, your content feels fresh and tailored while still being part of a cohesive strategy. Building a presence on multiple platforms isn't just about reaching different audiences. It's also a smart safeguard against the unpredictability of social media. Remember MySpace?
Full.
Capture attention. Capturing attention on TikTok can be a challenge, but knowing which emotions to target can make a huge difference. Research shows that the best TikTok content taps into these 5 key emotions. Number 1, amusement. Bring on the laughs with hilarious skits, memes, or stand-up comedy. Anything that lifts spirits and entertains is a winner. Number 2, excitement. Share thrilling content like big corporate announcements, client success stories, epic transformations, or competition wins. Get your audience pumped up. Number 3, inspiration. Showcase impressive business stories, fascinating science facts, or anything that inspires and motivates. Keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Number 4, anger. While tread carefully, content that sparks strong emotions like anger, such as political issues, animal cruelty, or environmental concerns, can be impactful. Just be mindful of the potential backlash. Number 5, anxiety. Create content that taps into feelings of urgency or inspiration. Videos that encourage viewers to seize the moment or stop procrastinating often resonate deeply.
5.
Capitalize on competitions and challenges. The secret to an irresistible promotion lies in creating both scarcity and urgency. A 12-day sale might be too short to make an impact, while a 30-day sale might not spark enough urgency. It's all about strategic planning behind the scenes to get it just right. Competitions and challenges are a huge hit on TikTok. To make yours truly stand out, here are the 5 essential elements to include. Number 1, prize. The prize needs to excite. While you don't have to give away pricey items, make sure whatever your offer is something cool and appealing. If it excites you and your team, it'll likely thrill your audience too. Number 2, how to enter. TikTok thrives on engagement. Simply asking users to follow you won't cut it. Instead, encourage reactions, duets, comments, and tagging friends to boost your video's chance of going viral. Number 3, eligibility. Keep it realistic. Set clear rules about locations and age restrictions, especially if you're giving away physical products or services that need to be redeemed in person. Number 4, deadlines. Aim for a competition duration of at least 1 to 10 days. A 24-hour contest won't give enough time for your promotion to gain traction and reach a wide audience. Number 5, disclaimer. Be transparent. Clearly state that your promotion isn't sponsored, endorsed, or administered by TikTok or any other brand. It keeps things professional and clear.
6.
Keep it trendy. Creating buzzworthy content on TikTok means tapping into trends and current events. Keep an eye on high engagement accounts and react fast to stay on top. Did you know TikTok started as a lip-syncing app called Musical.ly? And music is key. Using a popular song can grab attention instantly. Incorporating trending sounds is a breeze. Just a few minutes on TikTok can show you which tracks are hot and perfect for your next video.
7.
Think global. TikTok is a global sensation, but remember, not everyone speaks English. To go viral worldwide, videos with no voiceovers or text have the best shot at crossing language barriers. Think globally and be culturally mindful. Avoid content that could be offensive, violent, or overly sexual in different cultures. Failure to do so can limit your reach or even get your account flagged or banned.
8.
Never miss hashtags. Hashtags can make or break your TikTok strategy, so let's get them right. Here are the top 5 hashtag mistakes to steer clear of. Number 1, too many hashtags. Overloading your caption with hashtags clutters the screen and makes your video look spammy. Keep it clean and focused. Number 2, not enough hashtags. Using too few hashtags means missing out on potential reach. Find the sweet spot between overloading and underusing. Number 3, irrelevant hashtags. Stick to hashtags that match your content. For a pet store video, hashtags like #JoeBiden won't help and can confuse viewers. Number 4, spammy hashtag. Avoid gimmicky hashtags like #LikeForFollow. They can be flagged by algorithms and hurt your account's credibility. Number 5, unsearchable hashtag. Use hashtags that people actually search for. For a pet store, avoid obscure tags like #FantasticPet and stick to popular relevant ones.
9.
Give what your audience wants. Duets and reaction videos are extremely popular on TikTok and a brilliant way to create engaging content without breaking the bank. Here's how they work. Duets split the screen into 2. On the right, someone else's video, and on the left, your response or twist. Here's how to make duets work for your business. Encourage fan duets. Invite your audience to duet with your videos. It boosts engagement and gets more eyes on your content. Collaborate with popular content. Create duets with trending videos or even competitors. It's a smart way to ride the wave of popular content.
10.
Start with research. Not sure where to start on TikTok? Research is your best friend. Begin by understanding what content your audience identifies with and find the top creators in your field. TikTok is incredibly diverse, so the more you know about what works, the better your chances of creating relevant and engaging content that boosts your business. Here's the game plan. Number 1, study top influencers. Analyze why their videos succeed. Look beyond the surface to uncover multiple reasons behind their success. Number 2, reach out. Connect with these influencers to learn their strategies and explore collaboration opportunities. We've covered the essentials to elevate your TikTok game. So dive in, get creative, and let TikTok's dynamic platform work its magic for your business. Good luck, and let us know in the comments how it works out for you.
The Best of Business Show is brought to you by the BASA Awards. The BASA Awards exist to recognize, reward, and promote exceptional small businesses. We run 4 award programs: Best of America, Best of Australia, Best of Canada, Best of UK. Remember, it's strictly for small businesses only. Nominate your business today.